recording right now?
No.
No, I just turned it on. Everybody say hi to Adele. We're gonna find out what her real name is. Does everybody want to know what her real name is? Do you? Do you guys want to know her real name?
She's getting beat. She's got chocolates. Keep the mystery. Thank you. Run faster.
So there's one, I don't want to get beat. Keep the mystery.
You've seen me chug a chocolate.
And another that says yes. Hey Bruce, what do you say?
Bruce. Silent.
Bruce. 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 Look over here. Bruce.
Yes.
Ah, there's two.
Oh. Yes, an answer. Yes. How can I help you? It wasn't a yes to your question. Repeat the question, Bruce.
David, honey, should I tell them Adele's real name?
Like I'm walking like stuck right now.
Yeah.
This down here.
Okay, now hurry up and come over here, and then just dive into it.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Nope.
He got out.
Sheldon,